the 2011 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.